This is J21. No, oh, sorry, old account. This is Dragon. Infinite Dragon went get inside. Sorry, skills 1, the clan leader. It lists to a song, which you can tell. Hashtag, I bet you all guys know PewDiePie. One of the best YouTubers in the world. Anyway, I said 1. There's still more. So yeah, the IF3 is basically infinite. Stand for the infinite clan. Yeah, let's just start off a game. Let's do it. Let's show some of the people how to get fight in Black Ops. I am Prestige Magic. No, I'm Prestige 2. Level, I don't know. You know what, I'm playing Blitzing right now with Toxic. I'm on top with an awesome golden shotgun. And he's trying to upgrade an MTAR. So good luck with that. So let's do it. Once again, I said PewDiePie is one of the best freaking YouTubers.
No, he's not.
Yes, he is.
Vanoss is.
Well, Vanoss is a good YouTuber too.
Vanoss sucks compared to PewDiePie.
So does PewDiePie.
Oh, no, he doesn't.
Yeah.
PewDiePie more cooler. Okay, under the description is you gotta wonder. Leave under comment. PewDiePie or Vanoss?
Vanoss Gaming, H2O Delirious, Mini Lad.
No, you said Vanoss is better than PewDiePie. So leave under the description. PewDiePie or Vanoss. Your choice. Whoever have more comments on one wins. Take your nade. Stupid. Oh, is it PewDiePie?
No.
Who's this? This song sounds stupid. Once again, I'm not listening to song. My friend is. Chachi, I don't know what he's listening to right now. Kind of weird.
Listen to gay songs. See?
Aw, damn. That'd been epic if I killed him. Oh damn, did not see that coming.
I made a land game.
Wait, what is that?
Zombies.
What's 41? Oh
They
no.
won't let me log into the online for it. I might play some Black Ops soon because I'm really getting tired of Black Ops soon. I'm a pretty girl.
Gotcha. Sound like you dropped something.
That's fine. You should listen to Andy Ballsack.
Fucking suck your dick.
Like he's a good singer. Does he sell balls give you toys or?
No, he just follows in your footsteps.
Oh, so that's pretty good.
I'm a pretty girl. Pretty girl.
Nice try. That one exploded. Sorry guys. Oh wow. Tomahawk.
Well, your alarm's going off.
Let's see if we can get lead a few kills. Oh, 7, 12. Not bad. How you should run. I did better. A lot better.
Hey, Mr. Kilmer, how you doing? Good, how are you? All right, sorry about the delay. I'm a coach, Dr. Winters. What's that? Dr. Winters, how are you? Good. Good. All right, here for regular transgender, right? All right, how you feeling?
Oh boy.
How you feeling medically? Fine. Yeah, checking out.
Oh, I did not get final kill cam. Let's see who did.
Ever since I was
So yeah, if you guys watch this video right now, please leave on Twitter Vanos Gaming, I should say, or PewDiePie. Anyway, peace out, bros, and all to my subscribers.